Actually, if I could ask the moderator, we've missed several slides here.
You can quickly go back to the slides, Anura.
Okay. So to try exiting PowerPoint and then coming back.
You can go to the previous slide from your end. So it might take you to the slides that you have missed. Can you go to the previous slide?
Sure. Okay, so
and the slides are loading from my perspective.
Okay. Okay. So even though the audience view isn't loading, you're still seeing them?
Yes, we are able to see it. It's
Yes.
higher risk regulated right now, considering risk across the ecosystem.
Oh, excellent. Okay, so the audience view just isn't updating appropriately.
As there are working in the slide, there is a lot of transition happening within the slide, so that's why it's not able to update.
I see. Understood. Okay, thanks. Okay. So when we look across this ecosystem, it becomes important to understand the risks with safety-related data. As data is moved from point A to point B, it's important to understand if we can have single event upsets or data corruption, for instance. It's also important to understand what happens if no data is transferred at all from point A to point B. Similarly, if you have an app that's inactive but a device that's running and thinking it's receiving data, what kinds of problems might there be from a timing perspective? What happens if this connection prematurely terminates? From a system safety and security perspective, when we look across this whole ecosystem, it becomes important to think about what kinds of problems can